Can you make that red carpet confession tonight?
So when I have to sing a song, then every time I have to think of someone who was in the past and gone. Really, isn't it?
So, can I ask, who do you think of?
So I think of this girlfriend I had in my last life, and yeah.
Okay, you want to be the secret of the industry that people.
Yeah, I want my secrets to be secret.
Okay, I shot a music video a year back for this remix of Tujhe Bhula Diya, and I shot it in London with this artist called Arjun, and I met him recently. That's why I'm remembering this. That entire day I had food poisoning, so before every shot I was throwing up. During the shot, they had bags ready. It'd be like, action, cut, like literally. So that's a fun behind the scenes story that nobody knows.
DDLG के मेहंदी लगा के रखना जो गाना था ना, उसके लिए लता जी सामने आ गई, बैठ गई। मैं आई वॉज इन माइक, तो मैं बोला कि दीदी आप यहाँ बैठे रहेंगे तो हम तो गा नहीं पाएंगे। बोले मैं यहीं बैठी रहूँगी और मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारा गाना। बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने मनाया उनको, फिर भी वो गई नहीं। उसके बाद मैंने वो काफ़ी मुझसे बोले कि यश चोपड़ा साहब को कहा कि उन्होंने कि अच्छा खाना मंगाइए उदित के लिए, अच्छा खाना खाएंगे, और बहुत सारे जोक्स हुए, बहुत मजाक करती रहीं, और उसके बाद कंफर्ट करके बोले कि आप गाइए, और गाना गाने के बाद वो बहुत खुश हो गई। मतलब इट्स अ बिग कम्प्लीमेंट।
आई डोंट नो, मैंने इतने सारे कन्फेशंस किए हैं लास्ट 4 साल में कि मुझे लगता है कि माई लाइफ हैज़ बिकम एन ओपन बुक, और सबको सब कुछ एनीवे पता है। पर शायद अगर ये पता नहीं हो लोगों को, शायराना जो मैंने गाना गाया था साजिद वाजिद के साथ, उसके लिए मुझे 3 दिन लगे गाने के लिए। आई गिव अप मिडवे एंड आई सेड किसी और से गवा लो गाना, मेरे से हो नहीं रहा है। But they said, no, you have to do it and you'll do a good job and we'll come again tomorrow and we'll come again tomorrow. And finally, when I heard the recording, I just cried and मुझे लगा कि यार, if someone shows faith in you and if you show faith in yourself, you can do wonders and surprise yourself.
There are 2 actually. I made Humma Humma in like 15 minutes flat. And I didn't want to do Tama Tama, but I did it because of Varun and Alia. Yeah.
So one thing you'd like to tell Varun and Alia?
I love you guys. I mean, you guys are my lifeline.
हमको बहुत सा ब्लशिंग सा हो रहा है।
Like I did this film called Baby, which I had a song with Akshay Kumar. So that was like my awe moment. Like I'm romancing with him. So that was one of the craziest and amazing, beautiful moments I had with him.
Anything that people don't know about, you know, while you were in that song, working on that song with Akshay Kumar?
So what happened was that कि हमें swim करके beach ocean में जाना था because he had to shoot in the middle of the ocean. We had this what do you call that? That's chaperone. So we had to go on top of that and we had to swim to the middle of the ocean, and then on top of that we had to go and shoot there. So we were like, it was like just the cameraman, the director, me, Akshay Kumar, we all were there, and we were just like in the middle of it was just so beautiful, and it was like a dream come true because obviously you were shooting a song with Akshay Kumar and plus in just somewhere nowhere, so it was just amazing. I had a beautiful experience.